All right, y'all. Let's dive into the dollar. All right, let's look at the U.S. dollar. Um, see what we've got going on, man. It is the first of the year. It is 2024, y'all. Happy New Year. Whew. We have made it through another wonderful year. Um, I've learned a lot this year. Last year was a year of repositioning for me. Um, last year was interesting, man, and this year is gonna be even better. Um, Now I haven't fully made it official yet, but the phrase for this year is, "But I know this." Okay, but I know this. All right. Now we'll talk about that a little later, but right now let's dive into these charts, man. Let's look at the dollar. Let's look at the dollar. See what we're doing on the dollar, and we're gonna keep it flowing, keep it going. All right. So with the dollar as of right now, oh goodness, this high right here and this high. All right. We have this level, of course. I've just, I've marked off a significant low for me. All right. This low right here, okay, it's significant. We at the top of these highs as well, where that low hit. So that's going to be a significant low for me. With that being said, we hit this high, right, which was a lower high than this one. So right now, in essence, I'm wanting the market to continue pushing down, correct? So with the market pushing down to this level, I want to see us have some type of reaction around that level. All right. Now I am on the monthly time frame right now, so it's gonna take a while for us maybe to even see price come down to this level. Okay, we could definitely play around up in here somewhere, you know, have a little play and then shoot down. Who knows? Now I'm not saying we drastically gonna come down here, but I want to see some type of reaction around this level. You know what? That's what I'm gonna do real quick because I see something. Oh yeah. Excuse me. I gotta buy this again so I can stop getting these ads. That's gonna get annoying. But yeah, man, I took a break last year. I ain't gonna cut. I needed some rest. You feel me? You always need rest. Always need rest. But so, um, mm, where you at? There you go. So, actually, I'm gonna look at this right here. You feel me? Um, move for me. So we're gonna look at this right here, right? So this is a zone that I got marked up, okay? Good zone. You feel me? Some light. Good zone. Okay. So with that zone being marked up, I want price to react somewhere within this zone before we actually get a push up again if we were even going to push up. So as of right now, the focus is to break this down to a lower time frame. Right? So we're gonna go down to the weekly. Let me just do one time frame at a time. Alright, so I was at the month, right? We going down to the week. As I can see, as you can see, okay? This is that high, the most recent high, that lower high, okay? We've had this whole push down, all right? Last week's candle was a bearish candle, but we had all this room within this candle, right? You know what? I'm gonna zoom this in more for y'all. So I be thinking y'all can see what I see, but I need to express this to y'all on full time so y'all can see it clearly. Anyway, all this room up in here, okay? That was bulls, up moves, bulls pushing price back up, even though we had a down candle. Now, with that being said, we still need to break this market down even more. But with them bulls coming up in the market and pushing it all the way back up into this price range, I might want to see the market actually push up before we capture all this price again going back down. Only thing I need to do to confirm that is I need to see more detail within the market. Granted, time is going to be my best. Trying to think of how to say that. Time is going to be my bestest friend and my worstest enemy. But as long as I get a market time to play how it needs to, because that's just what the market does, we'll see a clear picture of where the market actually is going. Time and patience is all it takes, okay? So, this push down. You know what? I need to back this out some more so y'all can see what I'm talking about. This is that high. This is still that high. Now I'm on a daily. We was just at the weekly. Alright? I'm on a daily now. We was just at the weekly. Right? That's that high. I was down here. Okay? I was down here. Alright? This is the weekly. I'm gonna push it down to the daily. Once again, this is that high. That candle I'm looking at with all that is this. Okay? That last week's candle is this right here. Alright? So, I'm gonna zoom in. And what I'm looking for exactly is if we were to push up, where we might push up to and why. Okay, you see this? This is ugly. I need for price to come up and capture that before I see a push down, if we will see a push down. But that's the plan right now, right? Because I still want us to come down to this level ultimately before I see some type of reaction up. Okay? So, I'm looking for price to come up to this level, which is, let me see. I'm just say it's at like 175, okay? In between 175 and 190. All right. Now, like I said, time is my bestest friend or my worstest enemy. So I just need to wait. I could buy it and get what 40, 40 pips. But what's 40 pips when I could wait? And that if that's if I'm not a scalper. Let me just take that. I'm not a scalper. I'm always looking for the big pip trades. Okay. 40 pips to risk if I was to do my risk reward right. I mean, I could put it below that, but which is we on a daily, so I could actually. So let me say I put my stop loss at 10100, okay, and I buy it at 135. That's 35 pip stop loss for 40 pip trade gain. You only gaining, I want to say $5, but it's not $5. You only gaining 5 pips over what your stop loss is worth. Now, granted, that's still, I mean, that's a 1-to-1. If you hit it, you good. If you lose, you know, you did lose. But I don't like 1-to-1 trades. I like 1-to-3, 1-to-5. You feel me? So, what I would do, set 175, put a sale at 175, stop loss 275. Yeah, I got 100 pip stop loss. This is me. Take profit. $9.99, 52. Let's say $9.99.75. It's 200 pip. A little bit over 200 pip stop loss. I mean, take profit. That's a 1-to-2. But my 1-to-2 is greater. I only put 100 pip stop loss because that's my cushion. I always do 100 pip stop loss. Anyway, so we're looking to see what the market gonna do. Now we could only push up a little bit and still yet push down from here. Who knows? We might not even hit that 175, but that's when you look and judge, or you just set your trade up. You ain't even gotta look and judge. Just set your trade up. You know how much money you're gonna lose if your trade hits 100 pips, right? That's the whole thing about risk management. You need to manage your money to make sure you're good. So I'm good to have 100 pip stop loss for whatever trade styles I use. I choose to use. I'm not doing this to get quick money. I'm doing this to get money, period. And the goal is to get as much money as I can, being as reasonable as I can. And the only thing is, you have to learn to dip in the flow of the market. Learn to ride the trend. It's simple. The only hard part is getting in. Anyway, yo, Um, that's the dollar, yo. He said, I'm looking for the dollar to push down. Point blank period. Um, so all in all, I'm looking for the market to stall out somewhere in here before we push down, if we're not going to go ahead and push down. I mean, we might even start trending up from here. Who knows? But that's when my stop loss is above here. If we go above there, I know I'm definitely wrong. Get out the market, reassess. Mm. So let's take a look at AU. See what we're doing in that front. All right. I always use the dollar to judge what I want to do with AU. We're going to take AU out to the monthly. I was supposed to catch that. I was supposed to catch that. And I didn't. I be killing myself sometimes, bro. I was supposed to catch that and I didn't. So, AU. Um, mm, I've been on AU for some months now. There's been some major, major moves that I've missed in AU, and it ain't been nobody but my fault. I really could have made some real money off AU, but I was playing around, playing around. Anyway, back to it. So, as you can see, for the last 2 months, yo, for the last 2 months, we've been doing nothing but making a bullish run, yo. Like, can you see this? Can you see that? Straight 2 months of bullishness. All right, but look at where we came. We came at these highs, and we've had a little reaction. Okay, I'm sorry, I'm just drawing all over now. But we came back up to these highs, had a little reaction. Now, being the fact where we're at a significant price level, what type of reaction am I looking for? Am I looking for us to break past this level? Or are we going to create some type of resistance here and start pushing back down? Okay, so I'm going to break it down. Ooh, get out of there. All right, so we're going to break it down to the weekly. You see what I mean? Last week is basically about the same thing. You see how that the dollar translates so well to AU? So you see that last month with the dollar, we had a bearish push, right? We had a bearish push, this type of candle, okay? We had a bearish push down, and then bulls pushing it back up, which closed the candle off like that, right? Now we have the bulls pushed it all the way up, and the bears pushed it all the way back down. Okay, bruh, bruh, get out of here! I keep touching it. So same thing, same thing. So basically, since we said we want the U.S. dollar to continue pushing down, I would love to see AU find some type of support down here and continue pushing up. Now I'm looking to see, are we gonna find some type of resistance up here though? All right, so bottom is support, right? Top, resistance. I'm looking to see if we're gonna find some type of resistance to show a turnaround within the market. But as of right now, I'm looking to buy. I'm looking to buy. All right. Now I'm on a daily too. So I could break this down farther to the 4 hour. But this video has been long enough. I already gotta break it up. We at 20 minutes right now. But y'all need a little education, you feel me? Always. But boom. Somewhere I'm looking for buys, bro. Looking for buys. To see where we're gonna find that resistance level off this support. To see if we're gonna continue to actually push up or finding that resistance and starting to push down. Okay. Anyway, y'all, I think I'm gonna dive into GJ later on this week, the Great British Pound, Japanese yen. Okay. We're gonna see. We're going to have a wonderful, wonderful new trading year. Goodness, go away. We'll have a wonderful, wonderful trading year, y'all. Hey man, blessed foundation, blessed family. Hope y'all had a wonderful Christmas, are having a wonderful new year, and good tidings to all y'all. Love y'all. Peace.